Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna with pasta full guide. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil, then add pasta and cook to al dente. While pasta cooks, drain canned tuna and flake, chop garlic, and sauté gently in olive oil until fragrant. Reserve some pasta water, then toss pasta with tuna, lemon zest, parsley, and a splash of pasta water to bind flavors. For basic variations, try adding vegetables like cherry tomatoes or peas, or swap olive oil for a touch of butter for richness. Use capers or olives for briny notes, or add chili flakes for heat. To keep it light, choose whole grain pasta and low-oil tuna. For indulgence, stir in cream or grated hard cheese. Always taste and adjust salt, pepper, and acidity with lemon juice before serving and herbs. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. On another note, I love the Oala water bottle for staying hydrated while cooking. It keeps drinks cold and fits easily on most counters. Check the description for the link and other deals that might help your kitchen routine. If you find it useful, consider gifting it to a friend who cooks. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Timing matters. Cook pasta 2 minutes less than package directions to finish in the pan with tuna and sauce. Emulsify oil and pasta water over low heat to create a silky coating that clings to noodles. Keep tuna gentle to avoid drying it out, folding it in last. Serve immediately with a final drizzle of good olive oil and a generous grind of black pepper to brighten the dish right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.